Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we discussed about what is Python and programming and some basic things. But in this video we are going to learn how to install and set up Python on your computer. Let's start. First, open any browser. In my case it's Google. Search for Python. Click on the first website. Go on the download section and download the latest version of Python. Here it's done. Let's open it. Until it's opening, let's install IDE. The IDE we are going to use is PyCharm. We are going to talk what is IDE. First, let's download it. Here there are two versions. You have to download community because professional one is for advanced, and also it's not free. It's only free for 30 days and then it will expire. Let's install it. Now it's downloading. I'm going to stop this because I already have this download and it is a big file, so it will take a while. Now our Python setup has been opened. Let's install. First, click this. This is the main part, or Python won't work on your computer on IDE. Click on this. Then you can change the installation location, but I am going to install it at the default location. Okay, so setup is done. Let's close. Now we are going to install PyCharm. Let's open PyCharm. I have already installed it. It's 400 MB. It's a quite big file. Now click on the next button. We are on the setup. Here install it anywhere you would like to install on. I will just continue. Click on .py extension, then this and this is optional. These both are optional. If you want the icon on the desktop, you can access from desktop, so you can click on this and install. So until it's installing, let's talk about what is IDE. So let's search what is IDE. So we can also see here that the full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So this is used for programming, and it is a programming software just like a code text editor like a notepad, but it has more features and optimized for programming and for compiling. Now we will wait until it installs. Here if you want to reboot right now, you can do it, but right now I don't want to. That is because to use all of the access features of PyCharm. And one more thing, after you download PyCharm or before you download PyCharm, just check the system requirement. System requirement is 4 GB RAM, any modern CPU, 3.5 GB, and this is the resolution. This should mate your computer, then it will work properly and smoothly. Let's open PyCharm. It is on the desktop. Now do not import settings. I mean, you can continue. This is the interface of our PyCharm. Let's make a new project. You can change the name from here. Let's call it main.py. Okay, the problem was I used .py extension. It is not needed. Now let's create. Okay, it's finally open. So you can delete this all. This is just a template. And now first thing I want to do after opening PyCharm is go in settings here and click on settings. Go to editor and you can see our general. Click on it. The first option you can see here, change font size. Now what will this do is, let me show. Let's type a simple line, print and hello world. And now we can adjust the size of the text by simply clicking holding control and dragging the mouse or scroll wheel, right, like this. Now if I run this program, yay, our first program has been encoded successfully. So this is all for this video, guys. In next video we are going to see the features of PyCharm and the basic programs that we are going to learn in next videos. Goodbye.